everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel The Informant. If someone is new to this channel, let me just remind you that we make videos related to online services, placement drives, education and many more. In this video, we'll be sharing an important information about how to check your rating in Cognizant. And also we'll be sharing some important details like Cognizant confirmation appraisal mail details, what will happen if we get 1 or 2 ratings, what is the importance of a performance management rating. So all the important details will be covered in this video, so watch the video till the end without skipping. And guys, if someone has not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel and please do check our channel where we will upload all the important information related to Cognizant and Accenture. So let us start our video. Steps to check rating in Cognizant. So first you have to go to the Cognizant portal. There you need to search PeopleSoft HCM, or HCM. If you type, you will get PeopleSoft HCM, and there you will get a page where there is so many options like self-service, performance management, performance documents, like that. So there you need to select performance management. Then after that you will get 4 options: my performance documents, historical documents, current documents, like that. So 4 options you will get. So there you should select the first option, that is my performance documents. Then if you click on my performance document, again 2 options you will get: current documents and historical documents. So if you open current documents, you will not get anything, so you have to open the historical documents. So if you click on historical documents, one page will get open where if you scroll down, there will be a link called confirmation appraisal CA. So you have to click on that confirmation appraisal CA. So if you click on that, you will land it to one page where your job title, your employee ID, your status, everything will be showing. So if you scroll down, you can see your ratings, what is the rating your home manager has given. And also there are 2 sections. Section 1 is competencies and section 2 is a competency summary. So in section 1 they have divided the competencies in some categories like flexibility, commitment, planning and scheduling, quality consciousness, job knowledge, dependability, initiative to responsibility, ability to learn the job, communication, teamwork, creativity, like that. They have divided some 12 to 13 sections, and they have given the rating based on that competencies. So in teamwork he got like 3 rating or 4 rating, for communication 3 rating, 4 rating, like that. For separate competencies they have given a different rating. So in section 2, competency summary, so a home manager will be giving the overall rating 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, like that, and a comment like he will be mentioning like he is eligible to get appraisal based on his performance, like that. A comment he will be getting. So if you land into that page, you can see all the details what home manager has given. So this is how you will check your rating in Cognizant. Now let us discuss some important details or FAQs regarding Cognizant rating. Cognizant confirmation appraisal mail details. So who is eligible for this confirmation appraisal mail? So if a fresher who has joined as PAT, so he will be completing 1 year in Cognizant, so he will be getting this confirmation appraisal mail. Or employee who is near to complete 1 year in Cognizant will get this confirmation appraisal mail. So when we will get this mail? Once your home manager complete the evaluation of this confirmation appraisal. So what we should do if we don't get this mail? So we should ask our home manager to evaluate. So how we should see the status whether it is evaluated or not? So what I have told in previous slide, like that, check your rating and their status, it will show your home manager is yet to evaluate your confirmation appraisal. So there will be a time period for that. At least there will be a 1 month to complete the evaluation. So you ask your home manager to complete this evaluation. So like that, if your home manager complete this evaluation, you will get this mail. After that, your HR will verify and you will get a one mail that you are eligible for conversion of PAT to PA, like that. One mail you will get. What will happen if we get 1 or 2 rating? So this is a very important question every employee will have in mind. So for a fresher, as you all know that there is a default rating to convert from 4 to 4.5 LPA. So if a fresher perform very well, a manager will give 4 rating and 5 rating. That will be helpful for his hike for next appraisal cycle. So if you get 2 or 1 rating, what we should do? So if you get 2 rating, then also you will get promoted to PA, but you should ask your home manager what and all I can improve to get a good rating, what progress I should do, what and all skill I need to develop, like that you should ask to your home manager. If you get a 1 rating, what will happen? So if you get a 1 rating, Cognizant has the policy that you will get terminated or you will change to a different domain. So as of now recession is going on, so this will be a chance to Cognizant to terminate you. So almost 90% people will get good rating, only default rating. But why you will get 1 or 2 rating if you are not in project? So as a fresher we should first get into a project so that our home manager can give us the rating, so that they will know what and all performance we are doing in the project, so that they will give 3, 4, 5 rating. 1 or 2 rating is possible when you are in bench. So if you are in one, if you got 1 rating, you will be changed to a different domain or you will get terminated. So it will be depend upon your luck what Cognizant will do. So try to perform well and have a rating above 3, 4, 5, so that you get a good appraisal. What is the importance of performance management rating? So as you all know that if you get a 3, 4, 5 rating, you will get a good hike. So for hike, this performance management rating is important. 3 is the average rating. So we have made a complete video on for which rating how much hike you will get, like that. Cognizant appraisal details. So we have made a complete video on Cognizant appraisal details, how Cognizant will give hike or on what basis they will give hike. So link will be provided in the description. You can watch that video and try to share this video as much as possible so that everyone can get to know about this, how to check the rating in Cognizant and ratings related details. And if you have any doubt other than this, you can comment in the comment box. I will try to answer this question. Thank you for watching this video. If you feel our content informative, please do like, subscribe, share and stay tuned.